Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Opelika local and long-distance movers near me. When it comes to moving from your home or office locally or interstate, 3 Movers is a common pick for many people. Our status precedes itself. We bring years of practice so you can entrust us with your effects, and we will warrant a smooth transition to your new abode. If you are hauling all your belongings across the U.S. states, it's best to look up professional movers in your area to carry out the task for you. A local move is, by definition, a move within the state and city you currently reside in. It's most likely from one part of the city to the next. Movers consider such a move to be 50 miles and below. It may seem a simple task to execute, but this is not the case. The services of a professional mover in Opelika, such as 3 Movers, are vital. First of all, the company knows the lay of the land. Also, disassembling furniture and heavy lifting such items is not a task you want to do independently. These are strenuous tasks that seasoned professionals should do. The costs associated with a local move aren't high when compared to those of interstate moves. Therefore, you can get a good package that fits within your budget constraints if you have any. If you reside in Opelika and want a qualified moving enterprise, you should consider 3 Movers. They offer services such as local moving, interstate moving, overseas moving, office moving, residential moving, crating and packing, automobile freight, storage, insurance. We are committed to giving you a fun moving experience at 3 Movers without any hiccups whatsoever. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.